In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Coinbase to portfolio trackers. By the end, you'll have your Coinbase balances and transactions flowing securely into your favorite tracker so you can see your crypto overview in one place. First, sign into your Coinbase account at coinbase.com. Before you go any further, make sure two-factor authentication is turned on. Most trackers require it, and it's an essential security layer you should always use. Next, create a read-only API key in Coinbase. In your account, open Profile, then Settings, and go to the API section. Click New API Key. Set the permissions to read-only so the tracker can view your balances and history but can't trade or withdraw. If your tracker supports IP whitelisting, restrict the key to your trusted IPs for extra safety. When the key is generated, copy the API key and the API secret and store them somewhere secure. You'll need both shortly. Now open your portfolio tracker. Popular options include Coin Tracking, CoinStats, Delta, Kubera, and Coinly. Log into the tracker you prefer. Quick note before we connect. You'll find official links for Coinbase and the trackers mentioned here, including download links for mobile apps and the website links, right at the top of the description to keep you on trusted pages. In your tracker, look for Add Exchange or Connect Wallet. Then choose Coinbase. You'll be prompted to paste the API key and API secret you just created. Paste carefully and confirm the connection. Some trackers may ask you to label the account. Name it something you'll recognize later. Start the sync. The tracker will pull in your balances and transaction history. If your account is older or has many trades, this may take a few minutes. Just let it complete. Once the sync finishes, verify the data. Check that your balances match what you see in Coinbase. Review your transaction history to make sure deposits, trades, and withdrawals are all there. If anything looks off, confirm the API key is read-only with the correct permissions and try a manual resync. If your tracker supports it, enable auto-sync and choose a frequency, like hourly or daily, so your portfolio stays up to date. Keep in mind that more frequent syncing can use more API calls. A few important safety tips before we wrap up. Always use read-only API keys. Never share your API secret with anyone. If you suspect any issue, revoke the key from your Coinbase settings and generate a new one. That's it. Your Coinbase is now connected to your portfolio tracker. Thanks for watching.